Ken Armstrong, President and CEO of Sussex Insurance, recently announced that Sussex will be sponsoring 10 insurance scholarships for British Columbians as part of the ILS Canadian Insurance Scholarship Program. ILStv sat down with Ken and Ali Kanji, COO and General Counsel for Sussex, and asked them about the scholarships and if the industry is doing enough to attract new people.
This year we're providing $5,000 to ILS to distribute. They're going to provide 10 $500 scholarships to children within BC, and hopefully we'll expand that to a larger number in the years to come. But we wanted to be number one in sponsoring this program because we are number one, and we plan on keeping number one. When these children graduate or get their degree or get their license or whatever, we'd be pleased to welcome into the Sussex organization.
Establishing scholarships in the insurance industry we thought was something that was a great initiative and something worthy of supporting. The insurance industry isn't something that I think anybody grows up anticipating they're going to join or they're going to be a part of. No 5 or 6 year old says they're going to grow up and work in insurance. They talk about being a policeman or a fireman or something more interesting, but maybe even a doctor or a lawyer, but certainly not somebody in insurance. And even when you look at people in high school or young people going in through university or colleges, it's not something that's at the forefront of people's thought process. And it's an industry where we're seeing, certainly from our standpoint, there's less and less licensed people available to do the work that's required. I know that in our offices in the interior and on the island, it's certainly a lot harder to hire staff and competent licensed staff than it is, for example, in the Lower Mainland. And so when the opportunity came around for us to be part of something where we could draw people into the insurance industry, create awareness about insurance as a career, we thought it was a perfect fit for us as an ambassador for insurance.
No, I don't think we do enough to get people into our business. As a corporation, we try to hire anybody who will come and ask for a job. You don't need any training. We'll train the people. They have to be licensed. So in most cases, or not most cases, some cases we'll pay for the licensing course. If I know them, we'll do that because they probably don't have enough money to do it themselves.
I think the industry is certainly doing more to try and attract people. Are we doing enough? I think there's always more that we can do to try and bring people in, to create awareness about the industry, and to create awareness about insurance as a career. I mean, it's probably, if not the largest, one of the largest industries in the world in terms of dollar value and the revenue that it generates. And there's so many different things you can do in insurance, and there's not enough knowledge out there about it. There's not enough discussion out there about it. And I think we need to do a little better job of trying to make it more sexy and more appealing to people, and to let people know what types of careers there are in insurance.
I like to think that we give people chances, and by giving a person a chance to get into business, it's a good thing. They'll at least remember Sussex as their career advances, and we'll have the satisfaction of knowing that we did something good.
For more information about applying for a Sussex Insurance Scholarship or about becoming part of the ILS Canadian Insurance Scholarship Program, contact